to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Miriam. So for those of you who recently subscribed to my channel, who are not really sure about the type of videos that I post, just to give you guys an update, so you guys can catch up. We recently bought a home that is very old and it hasn't been updated at all, but it had great character and enough space for us, so we're not afraid to take on a project. So the videos that I make partially are about us transforming this home, this old home that we bought, into a more modern home that's more like of our style and up to date and things like that. Most of the projects we're doing it ourselves, my husband and I. Of course, like things like electrical and stuff, we get professionals to do it, but as far as like upgrading the home, painting, the like decor stuff, all of that, we do ourselves. So I do share a lot of those on this channel just to inspire you guys and motivate you guys to also do it yourself, or to show you guys how you can do it yourself and save some money. So today's video is about our dining area, which was I hated the color. All right, y'all, so this is what our dining area looks like. If you didn't watch my chair makeover, my furniture flip for these chairs, make sure you check that out, because them chairs was looking a hot mess. But anyway, this is what the dining room looks like. A box over there. This wall, I made that over there. And we have a wall over here.
Thank you, Daddy.
Then we just go this way. And we have, oh my gosh. So, have that there. Nothing really on the walls. I didn't really put anything on the walls because I knew I needed to do a lot, do something with the area before I decorate. So yeah, this is our dining area. Alright guys, so here is how the dining room is currently looking after the flip. You guys remember that sunburst that I made? This poor plant has been traveling from room to room, but I think this is the best fit for it because it was not doing good in the playroom. And we have this ladder. I actually got this from Aldi's and I made the full florals. If you watch my previous video, I have a tutorial on how I made those. And I have the curtain. Got it from Home Goods on sale. I got the rug from Target on sale as well. And this little basket on the table I made, and I actually have it on my website for sale if you guys are interested in making a purchase and buying your own. I want to put something on this wall right here. I just don't know what I want to put there yet. Everything that I put on the walls means something, and I haven't really found anything that means a lot, that that's special enough to go on that wall, as well as this wall right here. I don't have anything on this wall yet either. So yeah, that's it. This is our new dining room area. You guys let me know what you think of the video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. If you have any input, any insights, any insights, let me know. I like to hear from you guys and hear your ideas and stuff. So yeah, thank you guys for watching as usual, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.